The roll and cut system allows to cut out the windshields from inside the vehicle with only a single operator, and which minimizes the risk to damage the frame and to avoid injuries. With roll and cut system, the regular cutting of the glass makes possible to give a second life to the glass. The kit is composed with the roll and cut suction cup and its ratchet, one square cutting wire in 22 meters, one pair of safety goggles, one wire holder, one wire feeder that could reach also nylon materials, one hook, one wire reel, one pair of knitted gloves, 4 needles to guide the wire, and one installation stick and dashboard protectors. Proceed to the removal of the wipers and trims. Take the wire reel mounted on suction cups and introduce the wire inside to unroll it. The technician will be able to place the wire with hands-free. Place the wire reel at the center of the windshield. Place the wire feeder from inside to outside. Grab the wire and bring it to the passing hole of the wire feeder. Then bend the hand to lock it. Use the dashboard protector once the wire arrives inside the vehicle. Then pull a sufficient wire length. Install the wire all around the windshield. The installation stick facilitates the good position of the wire. Designed in Teflon material, it will not cause damage on the car body. If necessary, use the needles in order to ensure that the wire will not be trapped below metal clips. During the tension, engage with the ratchet. Use the hook to lock the wire and place it to an anchor spot of the car. Remove the wire reel. Recover the wire inside the vehicle and place it to the spooling of the roll and cut. Then make an half turn to tie the wire. First, place the suction cup at the lower part of the driver's side in a manner that the wire do not force on the plastic edges of the roll and cut spooling. Then, pump the piston to ensure a good seal of the suction cup. Position the ratchet on the spooling socket and prepare the dashboard protector. Action the ratchet and position the protector along the wire progression. Pull on the regulator in order to move forward the roll and cut to the upper side of the windshield. Control the orientation of the roll and cut in order that the opening of the spooling is oriented to the direction of the edge of the windshield. Then run the cutting. Move the roll and cut to the upper side of the passenger and repeat the previous step. The final movement brings the roll and cut to the lower side of the passenger. Once the cutting ended, remove the ratchet and release the roll and cut.